So guys, I'm making this video today to show you how to get to the Phoenix hop-up adjustment without too much drama and confusion. So you can pretty quickly go from your gun shooting BBs to adjusting the Phoenix hop. So step one, let's take the mag out, clear the gun, put it on safe. We're gonna disconnect the air. I'm gonna undo this little guy because it helps me go faster. Separate the receivers. Undo the engine retention clip. Undo my contact yoke that I can do with my fingernail, or I carry one of these around that I actually use to do the adjustment. Pocket screwdriver. So disconnect the electric out the back, hold onto your barrel and hop up so that it doesn't move, and then push the engine back until the line folds. The engine stays in, and now as you see, you've got really good access to the adjustment that I just manipulate with this pocket screwdriver. I hope that's coming out clear in the video. I hope you guys can see that. But my gun's set up good right now, and I've got an event tomorrow, so I'm not going to change it. But as you can see, you've got ample room to get in here and contact either the left side or the right side if you need to tighten or loosen your adjustment. And then, alright, when you're done, let's go back together. And we're back to shooting BBs. Thanks for watching.